can do a piece of work in 10 days. Anil can do it in 15 days. If they work together for 5 days and the remaining work is done by Seema in 2 days, if they earn rupees 12,600, find each person's share. Ramesh can do a piece of work in 6 days, 10 days. So this is like Ramesh 1 day work will be 1 by 10. Anil can do it in 15 days. So Anil 1 day work will be 1 by 15. If they can work together for 5 days, so let's say Ramesh plus Anil 1 day work, if we work together, we'll get to know as 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Now you have to do cross multiplication. So you'll get 15 over 150 plus 10 over 150. You'll end up with 25 over 150. 25 over 150. You'll end up with 1 upon 6. This, if you cancel, will come out as 1 upon 6. Now, but it is said that Ramesh and Anil work for 5 days. So Ramesh plus Anil 5-day work will be 5 into 1 by 6, which is 5 by 6. Now, what is also said further is the remaining work is done by Seema in 2 days. So we'll find out the remaining work. Remaining work will be 1 minus 5 by 6. If you cross multiply, it will become 6 minus 5 by 6, 1 by 6. And this is the remaining work. And Seema does it in, Seema takes 2 days. So therefore what will happen is, we have to find Seema's capacity. We cannot at this stage say that Seema's capacity is 1 by 2. No. Seema does the remaining work in 2 days. That means Seema doesn't do the whole work. Seema only does the remaining work. So Seema's capacity to find, we have to use this formula. Number of days will be equal to total work upon work done in 1 day. Work done in 1 day. So number of days is 2. Total work is 1 by 6. Work done in 1 day is left. So if I shift on top, I'll get work done in 1 day is 1 by 6 into 2. This 2 will come down and I'll get 1 by 12. So at this stage, I have also found out the Seema's capacity. So now I have the following. I know that Ramesh capacity is, Ramesh 1 day work is 1 by 10. Then I know Anil's 1 day work is 1 by 15. And now I've also found Seema's 1 day work, which is 1 by 12. Now, so all these calculations that were there were done only to get the Seema's 1 day work. So first we found Ramesh 1 day work, Anil 1 day work. Then we found out Ramesh plus Anil's 1 day work. Then since they were working for 5 days, we did Ramesh plus Anil's 5-day work. Then we found out the remaining work. And the remaining work was done by Seema in 2 days. So that gave us the capacity of Seema. So therefore Ramesh's 1 day work is 1 by 10, Anil's 1 day work is 1 by 15. Seema's 1 day work is 1 by 12. But now, whatever work they do, they will be paid according to their capacity. So this 1200 that is there should be divided across them based on their capacity. Now Ramesh 1 day work is 1 by 10, but Ramesh 5-day work is what? 5-day work is 5 by 10, which is 1 by 2. Anil, 1-day work is what? Anil again works for 5 days. So Anil 5-day work will be 5 by 15, which is done. Then Seema works 2 days. So Seema 2-day work will be 2 by 12, which is 1 by 6. So Ramesh 5-day. So we have got the capacity. Now this money that is there should be divided across among them based on their capacity. So based the Ramesh, who is there, will get half of the money. Ramesh will get half of 12,600 because he worked basically for his whole capacity is half. So he gets 6,300. Anil also worked 1/3 of the work. So he gets 4,200. Seema also did 1/6 of the work. So she gets 2,100. This solves the problem completely. We have found out how each one's money is divided. So the ultimate goal of the problem is to see capacity of each one. We were clearly given Ramesh's capacity, we were clearly given Anil's capacity. Using their capacities, we found out Seema's capacity, and then we found out we multiplied the capacity based on the number of days they work. Ramesh worked for 5 days, so his capacity would become 5 by 10. Whole capacity. Anil worked for 5 days, so his whole capacity would be 5 into 1 by 15, which is 1 by 3. And Seema worked for 2 days, so her capacity would be 2 into 1 by 12, which is 1 by 6. Then all the money was divided based on the capacity, and therefore we got the answer. This solves the problem.